Hello, welcome. Question 12B, WASSCE 2025 Nigerian edition, section B. We have a question on global mathematics. The point X on a latitude of 70 degrees south and a longitude 60 degrees each, and Y latitude 7 degrees south, 60 degrees longitude east, lies on the surface of the earth. We are to illustrate this on a diagram and find the distance between the X and Y along the meridian. Simply put, we are going to have a great circle. So let's see if I can make a sketch of that here. So let's say this is the globe. We are going to first indicate the position of the set, the point what? X, which is going to be first latitude 70. We have another 7 here. When we take the equator here, we have 0. We keep on moving until we get to 7. So let's say I have 70 here, which is going to be latitude 70 degrees to the south. Then we are having angle of 60 degrees also to the east. And we know the east will go this way. Good. So this is going to be the 60 degrees east longitude. So the point is going to be here as what? Point X. That is where the point X will be, intersection of the latitude and the longitude. Then let's go to that of the Y, which is also at the south with latitude. Remember, we have 0, so moving down, I can have another latitude here as well. Latitude 7 degrees to the south, still meeting longitude 60 degrees to the east. So I have my point here as what? Y. If I want to complete this diagram to make it a circle, we are going to have the center being here. So the distance from here to here, this is the center, this is the radius, right? So now, if you are to take the meridian, the center part of it, you can see that here is the angle we are looking for here. And these two angles are all in the south. So the difference between them gives us the angle we have here. So if I can take that circle out as a great circle, the center being here, the X being here, and Y being here, the angle formed at the center, since they are all at the south, will give you our angle will be 70 minus what? 7 degree, which will give you 63 degree. So at the center here we have 63 degree. This line is the radius of the circle. The length of XY is the arc of that circle. So we can say that the distance between X and Y, so we are just going to have our distance is going to be the angle at the center divided by 360 times 2 pi what? R, where the R is the radius of the earth, right? So let's indicate the angle 63 degree, 360 degrees, 2 times pi, 22/7, radius 6,400. I guess we can put all this in our calculator and find what the value will be. And if you do that on your calculator, you should be having somewhere 7,040. So what are we looking for? Therefore, the distance between the point X and the point Y along the meridian is going to be 7,040 kilometers. Kilometers because the radius was in kilometers. I guess concept is clear. If you still want more tutorial on this topic, you check the playlist on YouTube, Global Mathematics, or the Earth as a Sphere, Taxonomy Online Mathematics. You get all that you need to know about this topic. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.